Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. I have my 8x10 gel plate and going to play around with some stencils today, like this one. But I'm going to take some plain pulls first. And so I'm going to start with some teal. I may use a little bit more paint than usual because it's pretty warm in my studio. So I'm using golden fluid acrylics. Let's see if we can pull 3 colors here. The aim is to pull colorful prints in less the amount of time. Sometimes I don't mind spending the time to layer prints. Other times I want a quicker process. So I'm going in with some rice paper, smooth side down. I don't want it to stay too long on the plate. When it's warm, it has a tendency to stick to the plate. I'm going to pull up what's left on the plate. Some printing paper, just to remove it. Okay, and so now, before I lay my stencil down, I'm going to go in with some Payne's Gray. So when you're in the mood to see quick progress, and you don't want to spend a lot of time layering and pulling prints, you can just start with 3 colors on your first pull. With the rice paper, I like the fact that I could see what's coming up through it, and I have a lot of nooks and crannies here. I'm trying to get the Payne's Gray to go through, but I can see where the paint is picking up. Here, very nice colors, either way you look at it, whichever direction you like. Okay, and then we have the ghost print, and I'm going to use some printing paper to pick up the ghost print. And there we have that. Okay, so we have one nice simple print already. So we'll move on to the next one. And I will use, let's see, let's use some Pyrrole Orange. Let's see. And a little chromium green. trying to see what blue I could use here. Well, use some ultramarine blue. Let's see what colors we can get going on here. Another array of colors. Go in with the rice paper, smooth side down. Pull it up. There we have those colors. Now we'll pull up this ghost print using the same sheet. Paper. Okay, and now I'm going to go for a different stencil on top. So let's go in with, I'm looking for like a lighter color to go in with. So I'll try some Naples yellow. See how that does. Lay down my stencil. Press down in between. And there we have, it's like a tribal print. You can look at it from that point or that point. And I'll just pick up. And so these are quick prints where you're getting color, you're getting pattern, some nice textures going on here. You're getting color and you're getting pattern in these two quick, easy pulls. Sometimes we want to do more than just 2 layers, and I'm going to just do a few layers using one stencil. And so I'll start with some Naples yellow. And I will pull up this ghost print, so I'm using rice paper. So here's the ghost print. I will continue making my layers. We'll move on to some chromium oxide green. So I'll position it, stencil a little differently. Okay. And what's left of the ghost print, you can pick up. Okay, I'm going to use a little cadmium yellow. Which is starting to turn like a lime green, and that's okay. It's all about the shades of color. Now pick up this ghost print, and so far we've completed 3 layers. I will go in with some permanent violet dark. That's my 4th layer. And there are many ways to create a sense of layers. Oh boy, tore my paper in the process. But anyway, here's the 4th layer. And there are different ways to create that sense, as we started earlier with just doing 2 layers. And so although this ghost print doesn't look like much, I'm going to go in with some titanium, well, I was going to say white. Okay, so I'll go in with the turquoise is too dark. All right, so we'll try some Titan green pale as the last layer for the ghost print. And it's just to define it a little bit more. Which we have. And so here we have 4 layers apiece. And these look just as colorful as the first set that was done. So it's up to what we feel in the mood for. we feel up to doing a lot of layers or not. But they still can be just as vibrant and colorful, and using one stencil as opposed to 2 or 3, you can just use one. Thanks for stopping in today. Keep doing art, keep thinking outside the box. Till next time.